With the Taiwan stock market performing so well lately, I'd like to get started and invest a little as well. As a foreigner, I'm not really familiar with the account opening process. So I come here today to seek assistance from the English service counter, hoping to be guided step by step and complete the account opening smoothly.
Hello, may I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to open a securities account.
Welcome, please have a seat. 你好，我这边有客户需要英语服务，再麻烦过来协助一下，谢谢。
Hello, I'm Annie. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'd like to open a securities account.
Sure, may I have your photo ID, please? I can guide you the whole account opening process. To open a securities account, you may need your ARC or residence certificate and your passport.
No problem. I brought my passport and residence certificate.
Great, that's perfect. Thank you. Let me prepare the application form for you. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step. We can help you finish the application today and complete the certificate of registration on TWC today.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You may also reach us through our service hotline and email on the website.
That's great. With the professional English support from Capital Securities, I can now confidently access investment opportunities in Taiwan's stock market and be part of its growth. Yay!